Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your home even more comfortable. Today, we're talking about the best couch non-slip pads for hardwood floors, the X-Protector non-slip furniture pads. If you've been dealing with sliding furniture or scratched floors, these pads are the solution you've been looking for. Whether you have a sofa that keeps shifting or dining chairs that slide across your hardwood floor, this product will keep your furniture in place, offering you both stability and protection. Each set comes with 12 pads, each 3 inches in diameter, designed to securely adhere to the feet of your furniture. The pads are made with a thick felt and soft rubber combination, which not only prevents movement but also shields your floor from scratches and damage. The self-adhesive design ensures that these pads stay firmly in place for a long time. Forget about worrying that they'll peel off after a few uses. X-Protector's tenacious adhesive keeps the pads on your furniture, no matter how much you move or adjust your items. These non-slip furniture pads are perfect for any type of furniture, whether it's your bed, sofa, dining chairs, or coffee table. The versatility of this product means it works with all types of hard floors, including hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and tile. It's an easy-to-use, hassle-free solution that can be applied in just a few minutes. No more annoying noise when you push chairs across the floor, no more ugly scratches on your hardwood. With the X-Protector non-slip furniture pads, you can protect your floors and maintain the beauty of your home while keeping your furniture right where you want it. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this one. Until next time, keep your home in top shape.